Today in PA is brought to you by Renewal by Anderson of Central Pennsylvania, which is hoping they can help you control your savings this month. How? By giving you up to $75 off each window if you buy 4, $100 off if you buy up to 6, and $150 off if you buy 9 or more. And $500 off each entry and patio door too. Interested? Then drop by renewalbyanderson.com for additional details. State officials are mulling over a package tax. In the Philadelphia area, hospitals are asking patients if they're registered to vote. It's rain, rain, and more rain. Plus, if you guys were wondering where's the beef, well, these guys took it. I'm Claudia Dimuro, and you're listening to Today in PA. Pennsylvania's gas tax revenue is dwindling, reports the Center Square. But online shopping is bigger than ever. And since the upped traffic of delivery trucks is starting to put pressure on roads and other parts of the transportation system, some state and county officials see other forms of tax revenue in the future. Like PennDOT and the idea of a package tax, which would be a $1 per shipment fee that's estimated to raise nearly $800 million in its first year. Even other states like Washington are taking to the idea, some of whom are planning to put the revenue toward road maintenance. Lars Peterson, Lincoln Medical Center's manager of patient relations, has been flagging down nurses at the hospital to explain how they can add a new question to the usual patient health screening along with "Do you drink and do you smoke?" reports the Philadelphia Inquirer. The question: are you registered to vote? Peterson isn't an outlier in Philadelphia area hospitals, or those in other places in the state, as a lot of them have started to rally both staff and patients to register to vote ahead of the election. These efforts are being organized across the country through groups like Vote ER, which is a self-described nonpartisan voter registration, and the ones who carry out these initiatives maintain it's good for patient health, not about party politics. Judd Flesch, associate professor of clinical medicine at Penn who's involved himself, argues, quote, "It's a healthcare provider talking about how your health and civic responsibilities overlap." Others, however, have openly criticized these efforts as absolutely partisan, chastising these groups as putting politics where politics don't belong. States one of them, quote, "You go to the doctor's office to receive medical care, not to get a political lecture. What do you guys think? Let me know at todayinpa at PennLive.com. Hope you like rain, states PennLive. Because many areas, particularly those in the central region, are going to see a lot of it over the next few days. Today, the rain is going to be on and off. Friday, a chance of rain. Saturday, also a chance of rain. It's going to be slightly warm during this time, though, with temperatures expected to be in the high 70s. If you were wondering where's the beef, well, these guys took it, says NBC 10. State Attorney General Michelle Henry announced that, due to the success of an investigation called Operation Beef Bandit, the 3 men behind the theft of about 1,600 pounds of beef valued at about $7,000 have been arrested. The 3 men were arrested on Tuesday morning, caught in the act, or red meat handed, as NBC 10 puts it, and joined 4 others who were arrested previously on allegations that they were stealing meat and alcohol and seafood along the Jersey Turnpike. The men face charges of corrupt organizations and theft, among others. That wraps up today's episode. For more Pennsylvania news and otherwise, pay a visit to PennLive.com. Also, please don't forget to rate this podcast and to share it around with people you think would like it too. Thanks in advance, and as always, thanks for listening. I'm Claudia Dimuro, and we'll talk during Friday's episode of Today in PA.